Here are a few quick bathtub cleaning tips to make your bathtub sparkle. Most bathtubs are made of fiberglass or acrylic, which are beautifully functional but tend to scratch easily. Stay away from abrasive cleansers and scouring pads when cleaning the fiberglass tub. Instead, use bathroom spray cleaners along with a sponge or a soft bristle brush. Or you can purchase cleaners specially designed for cleaning fiberglass tubs and showers. Old cast iron tubs have a durable porcelain enamel finish baked on them. Again, stay away from abrasive cleansers and scouring pads. Even bleach and white vinegar may dull or yellow the finish. Look for products that say, safe for porcelain. Or make a homemade cleaner with a bucket of warm water, a quarter cup of ammonia, and a quarter cup of baking soda. Always use a soft sponge or soft bristle brush. First up, clear the decks. First thing you want to do is remove anything that will get in the way of your cleaning project. Shampoo bottles, bath salts, candles, bath toys. Before and after every bath, it's a good idea to rinse the tub out with hot water. This will ensure that you will start with a nice clean bath and leave a clean tub for the next person. Routinely clean your tub with all-purpose spray cleaners. Spray the product of your choice onto the surface of the tub until it's thoroughly wet. Let it sit for a few minutes. Then rinse the soap off with warm water and towel dry to eliminate water spots. If it's been a while since you've cleaned your tub and you have caked on soap scum and lime scale deposit, you may need a little extra help and some elbow grease. Again, spray the product of your choice onto all surfaces of the tub until thoroughly wet. Let it sit for a few minutes. Using a sponge and or soft bristle brush, wash the entire tub. Rinse thoroughly and repeat if necessary, then towel dry completely. For stubborn lime scale deposits around the faucet and drain, try a 50-50 mix of CLR and water. Sponge or spray CLR solution onto the lime scale deposit. Let it work for 3 minutes, then scrub it with a soft bristle brush. Rinse it thoroughly with warm water. After cleaning and drying the tub, use window cleaner on the faucets to make them shine. Spray the window cleaner onto the faucet parts and wipe it dry with a paper towel. For more great cleaning tips like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.